Welcome back to Sonnen VW. We're going to discuss brake and brake wear. Today we have some examples of a worn brake pad and brake rotor. Don't let the dirt and rust and other items confuse you. That's normal rust forming on a raw steel disc that's going to have this happen anytime it gets damp outside. What I want to illustrate in this particular instance is the ridge that you see forming along the edge of this rotor. This is the area that we measure when we inspect your vehicle to determine how thick this is and if these rotors can be reused. Unfortunately, with the performance of modern braking systems being what they are and the increased safety they provide, there is a small cost. That is, this vented style rotor gives us very little material to work with, and this small edge you see here is enough to condemn this disc, allowing it to no longer be safely reused on your vehicle and have your maximum performance of your German braking system function as it's supposed to. This is an illustration of a worn brake pad. In this particular instance, this is from a larger vehicle, a Touareg. The reason I chose this is to illustrate the brake wear sensors. These devices, as you can see, are embedded in the brake pad, and when it wears to a certain point, noted by this notch, it cuts into this sensor and will illuminate the light on your dash to tell you that you're due for brake work on that vehicle, whether it be front or rear in this particular instance. Comparing this pad against a new material, you'll note the difference in thickness. Here we're addressing approximately 11 to 12 millimeters. Here we have a pad that's measuring approximately 3 to 4. There's a significant difference, as you can see. Showing a new rotor, you'll also note the condition of it, of course, as they're treated in such a way to avoid squealing and premature wear. But notice this edge is completely flat and there is no ridge. This is a brand new rotor. Now you can see the difference between what a good brake rotor and bad brake rotor look like. This is what you'll receive here at the dealer, factory-approved parts that have a nationwide warranty installed by professionally factory-trained technicians. Thank you for your business and have a great day.